What would actually happen if you kept cracking your knuckles? You probably think it's just a harmless habit. Not exactly. That popping sound isn't your bones snapping. It's something else entirely. Before I tell you why, if you don't want this happening to you, click like, tap subscribe, and share this now. Here's what's really going on. When you crack your knuckles, you're releasing tiny gas bubbles that build up inside the fluid of your joints. The sound comes from those bubbles forming or collapsing. Now, doing it once in a while isn't likely to cause serious damage, but constantly cracking your knuckles can irritate the surrounding tissues and, over time, may slightly reduce your grip strength. That's why doctors say it won't instantly ruin your joints, but overdoing it can lead to discomfort or stiffness. Sometimes the habits you barely notice are the ones your body keeps track of.